and welcome back to All Things Knitty. Today I'm going to show you how to do the iris stitch. This is a one row repeat, very quick stitch to do, very easy. It's completely reversible. I'll bring it close to you. This would make, if I kept this going, it'd be a very nice and airy scarf. So to begin, you're going to need a hook that's bigger than the one you want to use for your pattern. So I've got a 4.5 and a 4mm. You're going to begin your foundation chain using the larger hook, and then once you've done that, you can put it to the side. So you're going to chain in multiples of 4 plus 3. So I've done 20, which is the multiple of 4 plus 3. So I've got 23 stitches here. So take the hook that you want to use, and we're going to begin in the 5th chain from hook. So it's not this one, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th chain from the hook you're going to work a double crochet. Then in the same space you're going to work another double crochet. Then you're going to chain 1 and then work 2 more double crochets into that same space. So that's 1 and 2. Then you're going to skip 3 chains. So that's where we've just worked. So skip 3, so 1, 2, 3. And in this 4th chain, you're going to work 2 double crochets. Then you're going to chain 1. Then you're going to work 2 more double crochets, all in the same space. So 2 doubles, chain 1, and then work 2 more doubles in that space. Okay, continue working along that pattern. So skip 3, work in the 4th one along. You're going to work 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Keep doing that until you've got 2 stitches left, and that's where I'll meet you back here. Okay, so you should have 2 stitches left to go. You're going to skip the next one, and then in the very last stitch you're going to work just a double crochet. So skip this one, in the last, work 1 double crochet. And then to move on to the next row, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and then you're going to begin the pattern. So in between, this was your first set of 2, and this was the chain 1 space from the previous row. You're going to work in that space, you're going to work one of those clusters of 2 double crochets. Then you're going to chain 1, then work 2 more double crochets, all in that chain 1 space from the previous row. Okay, then you're going to move straight into the next chain 1 space. So you can just see where my finger is. That's where we're going to work your next double crochet cluster. 2 double crochets, chain 1, work 2 more double crochets, Moving along to the next chain 1 space, work 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and I'll get you at the end of the row and I'll show you how to finish it off. Okay, so we've just worked the last cluster of double crochets. This is what you're left with. So you've got 2 stitches and then your turning chain. What you're going to do is work 1 double crochet into the top stitch of the turning chain, so just here. So if you can't find where it is, count up 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to go into that and do a double crochet, and then chain 3, turn your work, and then again you're just working into that chain 1 space. You're going to do your cluster of double crochets. So 1, 2, you're going to chain 1, and then work 2 more double crochets. And that's it. It's just that one row that repeats over and over again until you've got your desired length. Work in each chain 1 space across, and then when you get to the end, you're working a double crochet into the top stitch of your turning chain from the previous row. And like I says, I just done this one before I started recording, and it's easy to count. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 rows, and that's the size, which you can't even see that well. So that's the size of 10 rows. So you can make a scarf in a few hours using this stitch. It's really, really quick and easy. Anyway, if you haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel. Turn your bell on for notifications. Like the videos and comment away. It really helps when people like the video to boost you up the algorithm on YouTube, so I do appreciate it. So that was the iris stitch, and I will see you again soon. Bye.